Yo, it's a new weekend. Working on the same shit. About to do the trim bumper paint for all the plastic trims. He hand these bitch ass right there. That's what we were saying. Yeah, I'm painting all the trim. It's the second weekend. This week I'm gonna go to the junkyard with either Ronnie or myself or Hammy. Take off the roof rails. I gotta paint those too, because I broke two. But like, I wasn't taking them off either way. It was just a practice taking it off in the junkyard so I don't fuck it up. Wheels are all sanded. My dad's painting the front dashboard because it's all rusty. And yeah. Quick look before. So, you know, we've only been changing a few things here and there, just touch-ups. I'm still thinking about which headlights to purchase. Is between the Spec D ones and making them custom with a sequential turn signal, which would be pretty cool, with red halos, or the OEM ones, but smoked, that come off of eBay. But tinted headlights and taillights will now be illegal in Illinois as of like June, July, and I don't know. I'll see what. The grill mesh. See, it looks clean from the front because I sprayed it. Then you get on the other side and it's dry as fuck. First time, I think it's pretty straight. Oh. Here's where all the roof trimming used to be. Where it used to go. I need to order all these clips because they break, and the only way to take them out is by breaking them, practically. They won't, but might as well get new ones, because I'm pretty sure the majority will break, and you might as well get new gaskets, new seals. You're gonna see a difference in the pictures. So I wanted to go CP catless downpipe, but looks like it's welded right here. Oh, you can see the turbo right there. I highly doubt it connects just from the turbo up to here. I think it's the whole thing. So I might have to go to a shop to get it installed, sadly. These in the future, I don't know about right now. My dad painted all that, cleaned up, all good shit. These are fine, honestly, for now. My dad painted these because when I was stripping paint on these bad boys, I kinda got some big. And this is all sandblast. Shit clean. What up, guys? It's the what would be week 3, the Monday of week 3. I just shot week 2 yesterday, what you guys just saw. As you guys know, I removed the roof pillars, or the, rails. We painted all the rest of the grill parts and the fog lights. Now I'm gonna do the rear pillars, because I could also do the fronts, but the mid ones are the ones that need replacing. I dropped this one and it fell on the grass, and now I got all this, which I'm pretty bummed about. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could sand it, but fuck. 3 around there. Went to the junkyard with Cristiano Ronaldo today. Got the middle pillars, the roof rails, same shit. Just a little before on my car, just so I won't damage the ones that I took off at the junkyard. Correct. I ended up having almost all the clips down. Well, this one had all the clips down. A few of them broke, and I just ordered 40 more. So I'm still gonna put the new ones on, because there's gaskets that go on it to prevent water from getting in. But that's my dilemma. So let me finish these up along with the ones on the front I never finished yesterday. The aftermath. So this is after 2 coats. Maybe I could have done a little bit off. Don't tell me that's my hair, bro. Bitch. But I could have maybe cleaned it a little bit better. Cleaned it with acetone, but my only complaints were these weird spots right here, and then it would continue right around here. They're like blemishes. I think I fixed it. As for everything else, all the trim I wanted to paint is painted. Might paint the wheel well, but all that's left is this